Basically we have three buttons. So the first one is for the lights, okay, and the second and the third is for the suction box. We have two separated suction and you can work singular. Then we have the main switch for the polishing motor. Two speed. On the right side it's the second speed, on the left side we have the first speed. The speed are 1400 and 2800. As we can see, we have two suction chamber separated, and every chamber has his own suction power unit. So we have two aspirator. Then we can see this inside the suction chamber the system of filtration. It's like a car filter. We have two, the first and the second one in the second chamber.